Batman and the Flash are working together to investigate a mysterious button. Flash's plan was to use the cosmic treadmill to track the radiation emitting from the button. At first, he planned to go alone, but Batman insists on coming with him. The Flash attempts to convince Batman, but it doesn't work. When they activate the device, they see different versions of themselves. Suddenly, their cosmic treadmill malfunctions and they crash into the Flashpoint timeline. The alternate reality where Thomas Wayne becomes Batman after Bruce's death. Towards the conclusion of the Flashpoint tale, Thomas entrusts Flash with a letter to deliver to Bruce. Upon returning to his own timeline, the timeline was not supposed to exist. But then, right now, Bruce and Barry find themselves transported to the Flashpoint timeline. Barry recognizes it right away. Bruce realizes that something is not right here. Then they hear a voice from behind. "I did all this because of you, son." Bruce was shocked. Thomas Wayne is convinced that it's some kind of trick and he grabs Flash by the throat and says that it isn't real. Flash tries to convince him that this timeline isn't supposed to exist. He thinks that there may be an external force responsible for maintaining the Flashpoint. Flash tries to rebuild the cosmic treadmill, but before he can do that, they are attacked by soldiers of Aquaman and Wonder Woman. Thomas Wayne says, "You need to get away from here. I'll hold them off while you fix your treadmill." Before he can finish his sentence, Bruce throws his gun away and says, "We're all leaving together." Thomas replies, "No, you've got to leave, Bruce." They began to fight together while Flash fixes the cosmic treadmill. The Flash fixes the cosmic treadmill, but suddenly he notices that the Flashpoint timeline is starting to disappear. They need to act fast before they get erased from existence. Batman says, "Father, your letter, it was the greatest gift anyone has ever given to me. After I read it, I knew I'd never get the chance to respond, but if I did, there was one thing I wanted to tell you above everything else. You're a grandfather. I have a son. Come with me, father, please." Thomas pushes Bruce on the cosmic treadmill and says, "Flash, you promised me that you'd save my son. Now do it." Batman screams, "Let me go, Barry." Thomas says, "You were my world, son. I delivered you myself, and the moment I saw you, I knew every choice I'd ever made had been the right ones. Because they led to you, you're the greatest gift this life gave me, and there is more I should have shared in that letter. So listen to me. Don't be Batman. Find happiness, please. You don't have to do this. Don't do it for me. Don't do it for your mother. Let the Batman die with me." Batman screams, "We can save you," and they disappear. Thomas quietly says, "You have." Thomas reminisces about the time when Bruce was a young child and took a tumble in a cave. He remembers how he comforted his son by telling him that sometimes we fall, son, but always remember, Waynes never stay down. We rise, and then disappears with the Flashpoint timeline.